Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Taha Institute of Science and Engineering. I am well and hope that all of you are enjoying a good health and happy life with your family and friends. We are going to start the complete course of NEBOSH. But before this, there are some questions that many aspirants have in their minds. And many aspirants do not have too much awareness and it causes to lead away from this journey. So let's start from the question that is, what does NEBOSH stand for? NEBOSH stands for National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. If we ponder on the NEBOSH abbreviation, we came to know that it is an occupation to maintain safety and health at some place in accordance with international standards. The next question is, what is NEBOSH? National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health is a UK-based examination board offering qualifications and courses in health, safety, environment and well-being management. It was founded in 1979 and has charitable status. And the NEBOSH offers globally recognized qualifications covering health and safety and risk management. A significant number of health and safety job adverts specify NEBOSH qualification, demonstrating the high standard of NEBOSH courses and trainings. What is NEBOSH training and what is the importance of the training for NEBOSH? As an examination board, NEBOSH provide a syllabus and exams for training provider. NEBOSH courses are varied and cater to all levels of staff in a range of workplaces. The courses offer globally recognized qualifications such as the NEBOSH National General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety or NEBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety, which are excellent first steps towards becoming a fully qualified health and safety professional. Qualifications are also available for construction safety and for fire safety and risk management. As many people end their journey even before startup because they have set their mind that they are ineligible for this course. That's why. And this is the question that are frequently asked by the aspirants. Am I eligible for NEBOSH training? The NEBOSH National General Certificate is an ideal starting point for people looking to begin a career in health and safety management or to formalize previous training. It is a level 3 qualification equivalent to A level. You can say NEBOSH is equivalent to higher secondary level or college level qualification. What are the requirements to enter the NEBOSH course? NEBOSH International General Certificate do not require any previous health and safety knowledge but are good basis for those looking to progress to NEBOSH National Diploma. The National Diploma is a level 6 qualification equivalent to a full honors or master's degree. I have introduced you to NIBOSH International General Certificate for the people who are sincerely interested to start the journey towards health and safety profession. There are many institutes that are providing this service of trainings, and you can also search for that institute with their fee structures. And remember, this is the only free online serving institution that providing the facility to make you familiar with health and safety occupation by training course. To get its certificate, you must have to register yourself with NIBOSH affiliated institution, and you must have to appear and pass the exam conducted by National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. So let's start the course. There are 3 international general certificate courses that are IGC 1 or International General Certificate 1 or International General Certificate 2 and International General Certificate 3. IGC 1 discusses the management of international health and safety, whereas in IGC 2 one must have to learn how to control hazards at workplace. After passing the exams of IGC 1 and IGC 2, one must has to appear and submit a report on the basis of their practical application at some workplace. That is known as IGC 3. IGC 1 or International General Certificate enables us how to manage and maintain an international health and safety standards. And in IGC 1 there are 5 elements, or there are 5 chapters. Element 1 covers the foundations in health and safety, and element 2 discusses the policy, and element 3 discusses the organizing, element 4 tells us about planning, and element 5 enables us how we can measure and how we can make audits and how can make reviews. This is the today's topic. I hope you all have learned a lot from this video. In the next, we will discuss element 1 of International General Certificate 1. Stay with us and keep watching our videos for more knowledge. Kindly like, share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe and